This is Team Wallace new listing in Lexington. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa and unit. 1,500 square feet with a den. It's got an awesome lanai out the back. This community has a fishing pier in it. It's also got a basketball court, community pool. You're in Parrish here. It's right next to shopping in Parrish, close to 301. You're minutes off of 75, so you're able to get back over to Bradenton. Go south to Sarasota. Easy to go north to Tampa. Check out this big lanai we got back here. This is listed at $200,000. Dual sinks in the bath, stand-up shower, 2 walk-in closets in the master, water closet. Nice size walk-in closet. Bedrooms are split on the opposite sides of the home. You've got an indoor laundry area with a sink. Your guest bathroom. And then this is the guest bedroom. This home was built in 2005. Hurricane reinforced garage door. The location on this unit is convenient for pretty much anything. These are the basketball courts. Got a playground for the kids. And the community pool area over here. This is an active community with lots of kids. Check out the playground. Large Olympic-sized pool. Man-made lakes out here.